Last night I was telling myself I was going to sleep in today. I wasn't going to do that many miles. 7:30, I'm all packed up, ready to go, and I'm going to go for 17, I guess. Whatever. Already I'm backtracking because I forgot this little section right here. Last night I just came from there, shot this way to the shelter. So, no miles missed. Not by me, anyway. Hike your own hike. You know, it's going to be so tough to get to Maine. Hiker boxes are getting fewer and far in between. If my support team doesn't start sending me stuff, I don't know if I'm going to make it. So I just did a little trail maintenance. Tried to dig a little deeper on this spring here, as well as dam it up a little bit. You no longer need a scooper, but you're not going to get like a full bottle. Still, it was enough. Got some water. I'm going to push to the wayside. Hopefully, I'll be getting the blackberry milkshake that everybody's been talking about. So this is a ridge up in the Shanties. I mean, it doesn't drop off much on either side. But technically, this is the ridge. So this may sound a little crazy, but everybody watching back in the real world, go get a juicy cheeseburger, some French fries, some ice cream. Oh, enjoy it. Do it for me. Because I'm not getting one anytime soon. It's been so long since I had town food. I'm probably not going to get it anytime soon other than this milkshake today. Although I do have some trail magic coming up. At mile marker 1084. Gotta get past Harper's Ferry first though. I'm not even going to attempt the 4-state challenge. No. 14 state challenge is good enough for me if I make it in time. So when I first hiked shirtless, my pack started wearing on my back a little bit. So I've been hiking with a shirt ever since, but the soreness always comes out when I'm soaked to the bone with sweat like I am right now. So, trying to get to the wayside, take a nice break. The bathroom's gonna be closed, but I'm gonna wash my shirt one way or another. Going to get a blackberry shake, hopefully. So that's a milkshake. That's $5. It's supposed to be blackberry. It tastes more like vanilla. I'm gonna destroy these French fries. Well, I really didn't want to spend money like that, but you gotta get the milkshake when everybody's talking about it on Good Hooks. And that was the start of a chain reaction. Anyway, probably can't tell, but there's a forest ranger over there talking to a table. So I threw my pack on. I'm getting the heck out of here. When I was doing my research for this trail, I thought the only permit that you needed was going to be in the Smoky Mountains. I don't have my shanty permit right now, or at all. So I'm hoping to make it out of here only about 20 miles away from the north end of the Shanties, but I am staying one more night. Hopefully I don't come across a ranger or a ridge runner looking for some papers, you know what I'm saying? Sink shower was nice, so that was definitely worth the stop. The amount of hiker tea that came out of my shirt was ridiculous. Whatever. When I get to camp, I'm gonna fill up my dirty water bottle and dirty bladder bag, go off trail, give myself a nice little, I don't know, hiker trash bath, I guess, if you will. Well, my feet are so waterlogged, starting to get raw, so I just had to stop and tape my toe up, even though I'm 0.5 from the shelter. Whatever. Feels a little better. Hopefully my pack isn't completely soaked out like last time, but willing to bet it is. I really need to get a garbage bag liner, because I'm tired of this. This is getting old. I just dried out all my down from the last soak out. So, I mean, it is what it is. I'll get a garbage bag sooner or later. Should have had one a long time ago, really. I just thought this pack was going to be more waterproof than what it really is. For the first time all trip, I'm disappointed on how cold the spring water was. I just went off trail, gave myself a little crotch bath. Felt good, but cold at the same time. Now I'm gonna pop some blisters, try to relax for the rest of the night. Maybe eat some more ramen, I don't know. So you want to be a thru hiker. Get ready for pain. So, I ate so much at the wayside, but gotta have a ramen for dinner still, right? Plus, I'm trying to finish off as much of the homemade trail mix that I got back at Shenandoahs. Still a lot there, but it's really good. I'm gonna call it night here soon. I'm beat. Or a 17-mile day. I've been consistently doing pretty good days, so hence the blisters on my feet.